downsize but without compromising on views and still have a shed? Then this location is for you. Combined with its elevated position and views from the Cairns City through to Walsh's Pyramid to Gadaloff Close is move-in ready. Located on the southern side of Cairns, Gordonvale is a quintessential Australian country town with well-preserved streetscapes and a great sense of community. The town is the gateway to freshwater swimming holes like Behenna Gorge and boasts schools, shopping, markets and a golf course only minutes away. Thank you for taking the time to view 2 Gadaloff Close. I look forward to seeing you at one of my open homes.